I don't know what to say now. Okay. Hey guys, I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. My name is Sena and this is Design Simply. So it's been I know, I'm sorry, it's been a while. I don't want to give excuses and say I've been so busy, although a little bit of that is true, but another reason is just like my own self-doubt and really just feeling demotivated. But we're here now, we're here today, and we're moving on, we're moving forward, so goodbye to all of that. Yeah, if you are new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. You guys will not regret it, I promise. And to all those that are returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful for all the likes, the comments, the views, and the little community that we are growing together. I just get so excited, like in my feels, every time I think about all the support that I get from you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Today's video is another room makeover. Yeah, so I know you guys really, really liked the previous bathroom makeover. The previous bathroom makeover, and it was not my intention for the next room to also be another bathroom, but I was approached by a lovely couple and I wasn't gonna say no. And the first rooms that we're gonna be looking at and redoing their home are their bathrooms. So we're gonna look at the ensuite and then the guest bathroom. Okay, so the first bathroom that we're gonna look at is the ensuite. And my clients were very specific about what they wanted for the space. They wanted color, they wanted more storage, and they just wanted to add more character and just make the space feel more home and less rental. What we did is that we first added a shelf. It was my intention to kind of add as much storage into the space without making it feel claustrophobic. So we added a shelf in a dark blue tone to lean against the toilet. That allows them to also play around with their decorations and also just add more items that they use on a not so regular basis, but regular enough that you want easy access to it. The next thing that we did was we added a 3-tier shelf along the basin, and that's for your more everyday items. So your toothbrush holder, your earbuds, your cotton buds, and then makeup bags and whatever other necessities that you feel that you need without having to always open the cabinets, bend down and grab things. This also allows you to have somewhat of a working space without feeling too much clutter around your basin. Another thing that we also added was a basket underneath the vanity, and that's just for your cleaning supplies and your not your bathroom and your toilet paper, so that you don't have to also conceal those things, and it's just easy, quick grab, clean around, put it back down. So storage was really important for this bathroom because it is their everyday bathroom. And now we're moving on to the shower. As you guys saw in the before videos, there was just nothing going on in the shower. There was no space to put any of your shower gels or your shampoos. There was just like a small little soap holder in the corner, which is just not very practical because you don't want to have to bend down every time you grab something. So for this, it was a very simple solution. I just bought a shower caddy which I hooked onto the glass, And then in the corner we also added a little stool, a wooden stool. Now I know what you guys are thinking: wood, moisture, water, rust, but it's totally okay because it is vintage, so we do want that whole rust feel. No, not rust. Wood doesn't rust. What does it do? It starts peeling and stuff. Yeah, it starts peeling and stuff, but that's okay because that is the look I was going for. So, and I also got it secondhand, so it wasn't too expensive. Also, we put a sealant on it so it shouldn't degrade too quickly. So yeah, we put that in the corner. We added our shampoos, so ease of access, and then we put the shower caddy, and then I also added a eucalyptus plant around the shower head. Eucalyptus has so many benefits. I will add a link in the description box so you guys can read all about that. Okay, so when it comes to the final touches, I was quite purposeful in choosing dark tones. I saw these soap dispensers at Mr. Price Home. They so beautiful. They're dark gray with like terrazzo inspired prints going on around it, and I knew that this would be the perfect accessory for the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom is small, but we also have to remember that we're trying to add character and color. So I complemented that with a dark rug as well that has a lot of white and a lot of blue in it that kind of intertwine to just ground everything. And then with the blue with the blue shelf and the blue artwork, it kind of just creates focal point that marry into each other, if you really understand what I'm trying to say. And then also with the accessories that we chose to go into the shelf, we made sure that those were light accessories. So we went for your light blues and your pink tones, your whites, so that when you walk into the space you don't feel overwhelmed by what's going on. All you need, if you won't let me. Bathroom. The guest bathroom was a completely different story. Not only was the space a lot bigger, but it also just does not get used up as much. So the whole idea of storage was just not even a factor for the space. So what we decided to focus on was adding texture, was adding color, was adding contrast. And all those three elements were going to help us in really making the space more of a relaxation space, so that as soon as you step in, you just feel a sense of calmness. You can have a really beautiful like self-care Sunday. And yeah, that was the idea behind this space. And yeah, so what I said was texture, color, contrast. Now when it came to adding texture definitely came in the different rugs that we did. I did 2 sets of rugs, well 3 if you include the bathroom mats that we put just in front of the shower. So 2 mats alongside the toilet, and then 1 along the bathtub with warm colors, and then the other one was a little bit richer in contrast, and then we just overlaid those to really add more texture and a feel as soon as you go into the space. We also added more texture by doing a little concrete stand in the corner, texture from the plants, because you know plants are great for adding color, but they're also great for adding texture, as you can see. So yeah, that's how we added texture into the space. And then when it came to adding color, we did, like the previous bathroom, we added artwork. So there's this huge empty wall right by the bathtub that I just thought would be perfect for artwork. Will also be perfect for a mirror, but seeing as we can't really nail things onto the wall, adding a mirror will be really, really tricky because what holds up all that weight? So we figured, let's do artwork. I also added a bit of a basket on the other side of the wall to also add a bit of color and texture, like we mentioned. Okay, when it came to adding contrast, the things that we looked at were plants. So plants, honestly, they play a great role because they add texture, they add color, they add contrast. That rich green color that you get from leaves and flowers, also whatever color that you choose, really play in adding character to a space. They really, really do transform a space. So guys, whenever you're looking to do a room makeover, always, always, always make sure you have plants, whether real or faux. Make sure you have plants as part of your budget. I also got this bath towel. I got this towel from Mr. Price Home. Mr. Price Home was actually really a plug for my room makeover. I was really surprised at myself because I don't always find them to be super affordable, but for the items that I specifically wanted, they were just the one. Anyway, moving along, I got this bathroom towel from Mr. Price Home. It kind of just gives me like Oasis vibes, but like I'm also like in some other spa resorts where I'm doing like a lot of tribal prints, native, but like all very subliminal. Like the tones are so light, it's pastel. It's just a great way of adding that contrast into the space, especially when we have like this empty wall that has a towel rack already, but we have another one on the other side. So I thought it would be a really great opportunity to actually make that into a focal piece. In the shower, we just added a shower caddy. I also added hooks against the glass for them to hang the towels because I did take away one of their towel racks. So yeah, it's just for that. And yeah, I'm really happy. I can't even decide which bathroom I prefer. Video, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button, notification, all those beautiful and wonderful things that help you know when I upload, and it helps me know exactly what content you guys are loving. And yeah, I'm really happy with how these bathrooms turned out. So let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite, what were your favorite items. I'll also leave like a whole shopping list and links, hopefully, to all the things that I got. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next one. Oh, also, what do you guys think of our new space? I'm currently filming in my bedroom, which is why we have a bit of a noise outside. But I'm really feeling these white vibes with my contrast over here. So yeah, I'll see you all on the next one. Till then, deuces. We keep close, we should never